Hey guys, it's Jack from the JKLM videos, and it's hailing at our house. Our trampoline's covered with hail all over the place. Right here.
This is his iPad, guys.
Here.
Hurry. Where's
Here.
the iPad? Where did you put it, man?
Here. Everywhere.
Right here.
Even over here.
A lot over there.
Yeah, you need to grab it. It's going to start melting. Jack, I'm going to go get it.
There's some hail.
Okay, go. It's so cool.
Now it's raining and hailing at the same time.
And you can see the water's taking it.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Like the size of marbles.
It's melting now. It's getting smaller.
Melted marbles, the size of melted marbles. Crazy.
The water's taking it. Look.
April 4th.
Check, look. No, it's
April 5th, 2017.
Check, the water's taking the hail.
Oh yeah, look at the water.
Mom, now trash.
It's melted. The hail's melted, so it's in water now.
It's crazy.
Can I delete one of the videos?
Neighbor's house.
Get the most recent. Keep the most recent because I'll have more of it.
This is crazy.
Go to the trampoline. It's like
I know,
bouncing
I showed
everywhere.
him. Yeah.
Hello. Are you okay? Are you okay? It's just hail. You ate lots of ice. You like ice. Yeah, you like this stuff.
Not fun.
This is crazy. It's just raining peacefully and then like...
Looks like it's covered with foam balls.
Yeah, at first I was like, oh, it's raining. And then I was like, no, that's not.
I know.
No, it's hailing.
I was playing the piano and
It is raining now.
Our mom was like, oh guys, look. I'm like, oh yeah, it's raining.
Tons
it's
of rain also.
It's pouring rain. She's like, no, it's hailing. I'm like,
Oh, look at the...
look
I was like, oh, it's hailing.
They look like mini snowballs. So yeah,
And look,
I was like, it's hailing. It's hailing.
crazy.
I'm just sort of...
Wow. Snow doesn't help the trampoline at all, but
It's gonna melt.
Hail's fine. It's
So
we jumped out on the trampoline in the rain just a couple days ago. It was fun.
It was so...
I would not
It was pouring like a couple of days ago when we went on the trampoline. It's soaking.
Yeah. Well, this was a crazy video, but don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's a little fast video. I didn't want to miss any of this. It was pouring, so I wish I would have gotten the video camera out before. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.